Are you struggling to eat healthy because you don't have time to meal prep? I've got a simple fix for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a quick system that makes healthy eating easy, even on your busiest of days. And if you drop the word meal prep in the comments below, I'll send you my system that will help you eat healthy with any schedule. For those of you that have not met me before, I'm TJ Hutzbeth. I've lost over 100 pounds myself, and I've kept it off for almost 2 decades. And now I get to help women and men just like me do the very same thing. If you are stuck and you are skipping meals and grabbing whatever is convenient because you don't have time to plan, this video is for you. Look, I get it. You're busy. Between work and family and everything else, the last thing you want to do is spend hours in the kitchen meal prepping. But here's the deal. If you don't have a plan, you're going to grab whatever's quick and ready, and that's usually not the healthiest options, and they won't help you get to your goals. So let me give you a super simple method to eat healthy, even when your schedule is crazy. Step 1. Let's keep it simple. Listen, you don't need to be that person spending all Sunday in the kitchen prepping gobs of meals into tiny containers. Just think, even if you were to only do that for 3 meals in your day, that's 21 meals. That's overwhelming. And let's be real, you won't stick with it. I was a slave for years to meal prepping and allowing it to gobble up every weekend. It's for the birds. Instead, let's start small. Just prepping 1 or 2 meals ahead, like breakfast or lunch. That's it, 1 or 2 meals. This simple shift makes a huge difference because it eliminates the panic of what am I going to eat during the busiest part of my day. Step 2, use the power of grab and go. The best way to stay on track is to make healthy choices just as easy and convenient as the unhealthy ones. Keeping quick options in your fridge like Greek yogurt or boiled eggs or low-fat cheese sticks, protein shakes, protein bars, and how about those salad kits? They're a lifesaver. The key is replacing the high-calorie, high-fat dressing for something a little low-fat and healthy. But the goal here is simple. When you're hungry and in a hurry, you need to have something that really takes 0 effort to make happen. And number 3, you can batch cook your proteins. You don't have to make an entire week's worth of meals. That's too much. Instead, just cook a big batch of one protein, like chicken breast or ground turkey or salmon. Then you can use it throughout your week for a lot of things. You can have tacos on one night, maybe a salad the next night, and then a stir fry. Same protein, different meals. This keeps things interesting and saves you a ton of time. And step 4, let's set a 10-minute reset every evening. Every night, take just 10 minutes to plan for the next day. Preferably right after dinner when you're full anyway. Seriously, just 10 minutes. Lay out your snacks, pack your lunch, figure out what you're going to eat. When you wake up, you're ready, you have a plan instead of making last-minute rush decisions. This one habit alone can change everything because consistency starts with preparation. See, you don't need to be a meal prepping machine to stay on track. You just need a simple system that fits into your real life. If this sounds like something you need, again, drop the word meal prep below and I'll send you my quick, sustainable system to help you eat healthy even on your busiest of days.